So I have a new cordless tiller to share today from WORKPROX. I have shared a couple products from them in the past, which I still actually have, and they all use the same batteries, so you can always interchange them between all the equipment, which is also really nice because now I have a lot of extra batteries between the other ones. Now this one is a 40-volt cordless system. It comes with two 4-amp-hour batteries. What I also like about their batteries is that they're super simple to charge up. So their batteries have a USB-A and a Type-C, and it's both good in and out. You can also use this to charge up mobile devices in an emergency, but I've never used them for that sort of thing. Now, as you can see, this is not a super huge, super heavy-duty tiller. This is a cordless electric one that is going to be more for established gardens and for little tilling jobs. Now, to put your batteries in, you got this little door here. You're going to press that button, open this up, and you have two slots on the sides to put your batteries in. You'll put two of them in, which will make this a 40-volt system. Now, I don't have any established gardens yet, and my property is pretty much compacted clay, so we're going to see how well this will actually work in that clay stuff. It's also not super heavy. You can carry this. Now, this is an area that I have to work on this week. I have to get it amended, and we're getting it shaped and everything for a garden. But we're going to see if this will actually chew any of this up. But this is it's a thick packed clay that I have. You could also adjust if you want it deeper or shallow. You just adjust these wheels, and pretty much it's just going to pull a pin, and then you can put them up or down, however you want to angle this. In order to use it, you do have a safety button, and then you just pull the lever, and that's it. So it's definitely a little bouncy with this stuff, and I'll show you the soil up close too. And to give you a closer look, this is a pretty packed, really thick clay soil that I have. So it's not going to work as well in this clay stuff. Now, this is definitely not ideal, but if we take it where some dirt has already been torn up, I tore this up with the tractor grading over here. But let's see how well it works on looser stuff. But you'll see that it works pretty well for soil that's already been broken up and like established gardens. Now, every time I do a cordless tiller, I do get asked at least a couple of times what I would recommend it for, and if it would actually work for certain things. Like, people will ask if it will work for clay. These couple demonstrations should give you an idea of what it will do when it comes to clay and even loose clay. This one is not made for breaking ground, so don't expect miracles from it for that sort of thing. Overall, though, it has great battery life. It will work pretty well for like established gardens, like I mentioned, flower beds, stuff like that. That is where I would recommend this and where I would actually use it. But I do like their tools, and they do work pretty well. I know I had a couple trimmers and stuff from them too. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.